This is Cal. Topic 3, homework problems 42, 44, 45, and 46. We want to take the derivative of this function. Since this function is made out of two functions, 4x squared minus x and the natural log of x, and these two functions are multiplying, to take a derivative of two functions while they're multiplying, we use the product rule. So this will be 4x squared minus x derivative times natural log of x plus 4x squared minus x times the derivative of the natural log of x. Okay, now the derivative of 4x squared minus x will be 8x minus 1, and then that's times natural log of x, plus 4x squared minus x. The derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x. Now I'm going to distribute these here. Natural log of x times the 8x gives us 8x times natural log of x. Natural log of x times negative 1 gives us negative natural log of x. A 1 over x times a 4x squared gives us plus 4x. And a 1 over x times a negative x gives us negative 1. And that's our derivative. Okay. Now, 44, we're going to use a property of logarithms that says that you can split this up into as many logs as you have factors. And we have three factors: the x minus 1, negative x plus 1, the 9x minus 4, and the x minus 5. Each one of those factors will get their own logarithms. So this will be f of x equals the natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1. And then you'll also have the natural log of the absolute value of 9x minus 4, and also a natural log of the x minus 5. Now, if the factor comes out of the numerator, that logarithm will be positive. If the factors come out of the denominator, those logarithms will be negative. Alright, now let's start taking a derivative of each of these. So, I'm going to take a derivative of this. This is natural log of u. The derivative of natural log of u is 1 over u, which is x minus x plus 1, times the derivative of u. And this is from the chain rule right here. So, the derivative of this, natural log of u, will be negative 1 over u, which is 9x minus 4, times the derivative of u, which is 9x minus 4 prime. And then negative 1 over x minus 5, that's the u, and then times the derivative of x minus 5 prime. Okay, now, the derivative of a negative x plus 1 is negative 1. The derivative of a 9x minus 4 is a 9. And the derivative of a x minus 5 is 1. So, this will be negative 1 times all this, so we'll get negative times negative x plus 1. The 9 times this will give us negative 9 over 9x minus 4. And the 1 times this term right here will give us negative 1 over x minus 5. And that's our derivative. Okay, we're going to apply the same rule for number 45. This is a factor, this is a factor, this is a factor. So we'll have three logarithms. So f of x will equal the natural log of the x plus 1 squared, a natural log of the x minus 6 to the 4th, and a natural log of the 2x plus 9. So we get three logs out of each of these factors. And these two factors came from the numerator, so those logarithms will be both positive. This factor came out of the denominator, so this logarithm will be negative. A second property says that these powers within the logarithm can be turned into coefficients. So let's go ahead and make those coefficients. So this 2 becomes 2 times the natural log of x plus 1. This 4, the fourth power, becomes a coefficient, 4 times the natural log of x minus 6. And this stays natural log of 2x plus 9. Now we'll start the derivative process. Okay, so the derivative of the natural log of x plus 1, this is a natural log of a function, will be 1 over the function times the derivative of the function. There. So this will be, the next will be plus 4. The derivative of natural log of u will be 1 over u, which is x minus 6, times the derivative of u, which is chain rule. And next will be negative This will be 1 over u, that's a derivative, 2x plus 9, times the derivative of u, which is 2x plus 9 prime. Okay, now let's take derivatives here. The derivative of the x plus 1 will be 1, the derivative of x minus 6 will be 1, and the derivative of 2x plus 9 will be 2. Furthermore, let's clean this up. So, multiplying this out, we got 2 times 1, which is 2, all over x plus 1. Next, we have 4 times 1, which is 4, and that's all over x minus 6. Next, we have a negative 1 times 2, which is negative 2, and that's all over 2x plus 9. Okay, number 46. Number 46, this is a log base b of u. Remember, log base b of u, the derivative is in 3 pieces. It's going to be 1 over u times the constant natural log of b times the chain rule du. So we're going to have 3 pieces. So let's take a derivative here. And so we're going to get 1 over u, here's the u right here, 1 over u, which is x squared plus x, then times the constant 1 over natural log of 8, and then the derivative of u, which is the chain rule, x squared plus x derivative. Alright, now let's start cleaning this up. The x squared plus x, the derivative of that will be 2x plus 1. So, when I multiply all my numerators together, I'm going to get 1 times 2x plus 1, which will be 2x plus 1. Then for my denominators, I'll have the natural log of 8 times the x squared plus x. That'll be natural log of x times x squared plus x. And that's your derivative.